So, good day ma'am. My name is JD Bautista, BS Cream 3, Block 4. I will discuss the judicial notice. Judicial notice is a role of evidence that allows the court to accept certain facts as true without formal proof. Then 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 the maxim what is no need not to be proved. Then sa admission kay a state by someone involved in a case that hurts their own case. Then sa confession is by someone accused of a crime that they did it. Then sa judicial admission, it's accepted as true and does not need further proof. That's all ma'am, thank you.